Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you how to attach objects or text to walls or grounds using the track camera function in After Effects. Let's get started. First, make sure you have After Effects open and your video clip imported. Select the clip you want to work with, then go up to the Tracker panel and click on Track Camera. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and check the box for Detailed Analysis. After Effects will start analyzing your video. This process analyzes the motion of the camera and the 3D scene data, which allows you to attach objects in 3D space within your scene. The analysis may take a while, depending on your computer and the length of your video. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a series of track points appear on your video. These points represent the 3D space of your scene. When you hover over a cluster of 3 points, you'll see a red target appear. This target gives you a perspective of the plane you can use to attach objects to. Find the target you want to use, right-click on it, and choose Create Solid. Now, if you play the video, you'll see that the solid is stuck to the wall or ground where you place the target. Next, go to the solid layer, right-click on it, and choose Pre-Compose. Click OK in the Pre-Compose dialog box, and a new composition will appear. Inside this new composition, you can delete the solid layer and add anything you want, such as text or another video. For this tutorial, I'll add some text. After adding the text, you'll see that it is now attached to the wall in 3D space. You can adjust the X, Y, or Z rotation and the scale of the text to fit your scene better. And that's it. You've successfully attached text to a wall using the track camera function in After Effects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.